Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Sanya Zara Lifestyle. I know it's been a very long period of time I was not active on YouTube, so I planned that let me show you some new places, let you people explore the new places with me. So today I am here at Leela Bhartiya City, Bangalore. So I'll be telling you how this place is, how the staffs are, how the facilities are, how the ambience is, and how good it is, so that you can visit this beautiful place in the outskirts of the city near Hebbal. And let's go. What are you waiting for? So this is the place. So let me show you this beautiful place and beautiful ambience in this beautiful Bhartiya City. Come with me. So let me show you some people who are good at very service in this Leela, and they have provided very good service while we were having some great foods with them. And hi sir.
Hi.
So let me greet you that people, and he will share his experience, how many years he is working here and how is the performance and how he is going to give the best customer service to each and every customer coming here. So
My name is Anand. I'm working here from last 7 to 8 months. So before this hotel, I was with Six Senses Fort Barwara. So I was a part of Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's wedding as well.
okay, that's great.
Apart from that, I am having only 2.5 years of experience. And before this restaurant, I was in specialty restaurant. So I have been moved here because of lack of staffs basically. And I used to love basically make the people happy. So that's my basic motto for the whole day. Thank you so much.
And thank you Anand for your best customer service I have ever seen in any hotel industry. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So guys, this was the dining area, and let's move to our rooms. Let's see the ambience of this good and beautiful place. Hi. You can come. So hi Kapila, how are you?
Good, great. You're enjoying and you're having a good time, huh?
Okay, what do you feel about this place?
Awesome it is, no doubt.
Okay, what about the customer experience?
Customer service is best.
Okay,
I must say the food was super tasty.
and even I like the food.
Yes.
And what about other things? What do you like the most here?
It's very peaceful environment
And it's near outskirts of the city, and it's very peaceful, and the weather is also
the weather is cool.
okay. Come, let's move out to our rooms,
Yes.
and we'll show you how our rooms are, how the best customer experience we have got in this the Leela Bhartiya City. Bye. Let's meet our. So guys, before moving out to our rooms, let's enjoy the beautiful view of the pool which is here. Let's go. And with this very awesome and rainy weather, let's go to the pool and enjoy the moment. See you there. So it's night 12 o'clock and I'm roaming.
यहाँ पे रात के 1 बजने वाले थे और मुझे अंदर जाने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा था, बट क्या ही करें, जाना ही पड़ेगा, सोना तो है अभी।
So come, let's go to the room. So our room is in 6th floor. Come, let's go and explore.
आई नो मेरी वॉइस उतनी सुंदर नहीं, फिर भी मैं गाते हुए जा रही हूँ, बट आप भी पक गए हो कि सुनते सुनते। लेट्स गो टू द रूम, लेट्स गो टू द रूम। फाइनली अभी चल जाते हैं यार।
I know my voice is little bit, but come, let's go. So coming to our room tour, this is washroom. So how is it? And so here and my tour of my room, and bye bye. So let's sleep. It's been 1 o'clock and I'm just roaming like booth. Okay. Bye guys. Love you all. Meet you in my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Next day also was a great experience at this place, but I could not record my vlog due to a short of time and it was raining too, but I enjoyed the time being here. So what are you waiting for? Just go and subscribe to my channel. We'll be coming up with some more new videos and vlogs which will help you guys, and you can even enjoy the time with me. Till then, bye bye, take care.